घर बैठे बैठे क्या मैं सोचूं सारी रात कब होगी तुमसे मुलाकात तूने
Hello, good morning. So this one had काफी distributed happening चीजें. So instead of making a vlog for each, we thought of making a single vlog, and thus it is easier for you, for us, and everybody chills out. So for starters, I had my birthday this month, and उम्मीद तो यही थी कि एज के साथ टेरेन में चेंज हो जाएगा, कि हम भी पहाड़ों की वादियों में घूमेंगे, या फिर बीच की लहरों में ऐश करेंगे, या फिर हम लोग खेतों में भागेंगे. पर मेरे माता पिता के आशीर्वाद के साथ हम यही हैं. Still here. Delhi. But never mind. The max adventure that I could do on my birthday was this. So I'm getting my birthday special hair color done, and I am going for shades of browns, and that too because I am thinking very futuristic कि जब वो fade होने लग जाएंगे तो I can play with some अतरंगी colors like pink, purples, green and whatsoever. But अभी के लिए I will enjoy my browns, and also कि मैं ये घर पे कराऊंगी for my ease, and बस as soon as Faizi भैया comes and we will get started with the hair color.
समझ आई आपको तुमने यही मुझको खोना था तुमने यूं मुझको खोना था तुमने यूं मुझको खोना था मुझको तुमने यूं खोना था
ये हम है, ये हमारे बाल है, और यहाँ पे पार्टी हो रही है.
पार्टी हो रही है. पार्टी हो रही है. और ये हमारी पार्टी ये हमारी कार है, और ये हमारी कार है. ये हमारी पार्टी हो रही है. और ये हमारी पार्टी हो रही है.
Oh, oops, yes. So the next day was my happy birthday, and happy birthday to me, happy birthday to everybody who had their happy birthday then. And now let's get to the point. So this thing exactly wasn't a present for me, but we happened to open it that day, and yes, it's a disposable camera. So with that, I decided to spend a small, cute, low-key day at the Museum of Illusions. And honestly, I'm kind of happy that this place opened up before my birthday because कुछ नहीं बचा है. Literally कुछ नहीं बचा है. दिल्ली में जो आप जा सकते हो, जाकर chill कर सकते हो, फिर enjoy कर सकते हो. Because हालत देखो जरा हमारी. पिछले महीने boating करके आए यमुना में. नहीं कुछ और बचा है, बताओ. नहीं. But never mind, without getting too emotional, this is our cute, happy, low-key day at the Museum of Illusions.
What you been up to, Aiden? I've been dancing in my room, swaying my feet, trying to get you love and a kiss on the cheek. Cotton candy skies like I'm stuck in a dream, and I've been feeling blue. You're the one that I need, and baby, yeah, you give me reasons just to fight all of my demons. Yeah, I love it when you speak it, 'cause you silence all my feelings. I'm feeling that I'm not okay, and everyone gon' run away. But don't forget another day. I'm sipping on some lemonade. I wonder if you'll ever change. But yeah, I don't even care. Maybe just come round my way. Dancing in my room, swaying my feet, trying to get you love and a kiss.
Okay, so this wasn't a proper vlog because us ourselves weren't creating content as such. We took it as a chill day. We had fun. We took a couple of pictures, a bunch of videos. So yeah, this is a little review from our side about this place. Basically, two things. First thing, it's an interesting place. It's the very same museum you see in TikToks from Dubai, New York, etc. So yeah, you won't be disappointed. And then secondly, it's not too big. So don't plan your entire day on it, being with friends, clicking pictures. It will hardly take you 2 hours in there. So now towards the third and the final update. But unlike every other update, we do not have the footage this time. Because nothing was shot, because nothing happened. Let me explain.
So it is better that I tell this story because it's the story of a gift and that's how it goes. So recently Aditi's favorite gift has been plants. She loves gifting plants on birthdays because there's a sense of parenting involved. And like every non-crazy human ever, she loves pets. So I decided to gift her a pet. Since dogs don't go well with middle-class ideologies, I took a safer option, a fish bowl. A fish bowl with 2 goldfishes, one named Paneer, other named Momos, which is also apparently her favorite all-time snack. Perfect plan. It was too good. But after a little more research, I got to know that fishes actually don't live that long. And fish bowls are kinda not even the best hospitable environment for the fishes. So yeah, after 10, 20, 30 more reasons like that, I had to conclude that it was a cute gift, no doubt, but it wasn't the most viable. Another conclusion that I should kind of just wait that we grow up and one of us could get a dog, maybe someday. Yeah, you guessed it. The vlog has a sad ending. That's the story of the failed gift. I hope you liked the update thing that we did. See you in the next one. Bye.
Yes, कोई क्लास नहीं अब मेरी बेल पूरी खानी है कचौड़ी पचौड़ी पिंजला काला कोको कोला कले ऊपर के